Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to edit your messages on WhatsApp. Now to edit your messages on WhatsApp, all you need to do, open your WhatsApp application and let me try to send a message to this particular person. Now whenever a message is edited, you are going to actually see this option, sign that says edited. So you are going to see that the message has been edited, although you cannot see the original message. So you can only know that the message was edited, but you cannot see the original message. Now let me type this. And then I just sent it, right? This message has been sent. Now to edit this message, all you need to do is to click and hold, and then you click this three-dotted icon for the menu, on the menu, and then you tap edit. Now you can change this to say and then send the message. So these have actually come from the original message to a different one, and you can still do it again continuously to still edit. But then when can you stop editing this, or when is the limit of this editing? This actually lasts only 15 minutes of when the original message has been sent. So if you have sent a message to somebody, you can edit it as long as the message is within the 15 minutes time frame. But after 15 minutes, you are no longer going to be able to edit it. Just so you cannot edit an older message, you can see there is no option for edit on an older message. But as long as the message is 15 minutes old that you sent it, you can always edit it. So guys, this is all I want to show you on this video. If you have further questions regarding this, leave it on the comment section and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.